Hi guys, it's Dr. Neil here. So I wanted to go through just some quick tips really during this difficult time to help our patients in active orthodontic treatment. Our first topic today is going to be broken brackets and kind of what to do and should they be a concern. Now, broken brackets are quite common. They can come off at any time during treatment, but the important thing is kind of not to worry about it too much. When we can see you again, we will get it bonded on and get the treatment back on track, but it's nothing really to worry about, if it's come off or it's broken. A common problem with them is they might cause a bit of irritation because they swivel around and move around. So a good tip is just to get a little bit of orthodontic wax and kind of mould it between your fingers and make sure your mouth is completely dry, and then place the wax on the area just to make sure it gives you that a bit of comfort and stops any movement. If you've swallowed a bracket or lost a bracket, please don't worry about it. It will pass through naturally. It's nothing to kind of worry about in the long term. And as I say, when we can see you again, we'd be more than happy to bond it back on. And if you have any other concerns with broken brackets, please feel free to email us or a little chat. But the majority of the time, it isn't a problem at all.